Start by cutting 2 pieces of cardboard, one for your dry erase board, the other for your cork board. Then take cork adhesive, cut it to size, and stick it to your cardboard. Use a glue stick to cover the cork with fabric, and then cover the other piece of cardboard with fabric. Now glue both pieces to a thick piece of cardboard. Here I'm making a border to go around. I'm using a sheet protector to use as my dry erase board. I'm going to glue it down and then glue my border around and then decorate.